Assalamualaikum. It's me, Dr. Luka, for your Photoshop Lab Week 1. So we're gonna learn how it's Photoshop. So firstly, when you open Photoshop, they will have this tutorial panel here and your recent files. So meaning that I have used all these files to be edited in my Photoshop. So you can have different kind of view. Okay, so this is the list, and this is uh, the picture view. Okay, so in here we have home, learn, your work. Lightroom photos means we can use Adobe Lightroom pictures to use it here in Photoshop as well, and cloud documents if you have any pictures in the cloud, and even deleted pictures. Anyway, for now we are gonna open how to create new Photoshop. Okay, so let's just go with click create new. Okay, alright, so they have many things. Let's start something new. Okay, so you can have templates, or even like this template, or even you can find templates from Adobe Stock. Okay, Adobe Stock is like a collection of pictures from Adobe. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can use the free one, but for now you can see that there are many kind of settings here, from photo, it can be landscape or portrait, print if you wanna print the documents or the pictures, you can choose this setting. Art and illustration, okay, for example poster or postcard, web. Alright, even they have desktop and MacBook Pro, so it's very specific. And mobile, so if you wanna design on mobile, okay, iPhone or even Android, Microsoft Surface, Apple Watch. Okay, and film and video, which is HDTV or UHDTV, so many things, NTSC or PAL, film 4K. Alright, so now we're gonna go with photo. So I'm gonna choose portrait, I think. Okay, let's just go with 4.6. Okay, or even maybe I can choose A4. Okay, so if you want to go with A4, I think we can go with this, and let's just say week 1 lab. Okay, and in here you can see the width and the height, and the orientation either is portrait or landscape, and the resolution here, pixels or in inch or centimeters. Okay, and the color mode, which is RGB or CMYK. Okay, and the bit 16 or 32. All this will define the quality of the pictures. Background contents, it can be white, black, background color, or many others. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so we're gonna go with the default pictures, default setting here. So let's just click create. Okay, my PC is quite slow,